Now we will present to you the procedure on how to make a homemade perfume. First, we need to prepare the materials needed in doing perfume. If you are going to prepare 100 ml perfume, put at least 5 ml distilled water. Make sure that water is distilled. If you use another kind of water, for example, purified, it will have chemical reaction.
5 ml of vodka. Put 20 drops of essential oil. Then stir. You can choose your own scent like green apple, rose, lavender, peppermint, and many more, or any scent you like. Stir the mixture of vodka, water, essential oil, and add 15 drops glycerin. The small particles will not be visible. Then stir. If you want, you can add color, a food colors to make it more attractive. Transfer it to the 100 ml spray bottle. Finished product and the packaging.